How to explore travel destinations through Instagram Map. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox screen, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, allow it so the map can display nearby posts and stories accurately. Once the map opens, you will see markers representing posts and stories shared by users who have tagged their location. Move around the map to explore different cities, regions, or countries and discover travel destinations through posts shared by other users. Tap on any marker to view a post or story in full screen. You can see images of famous landmark, tourist spot, local attraction and hidden gems, giving you inspiration for future trips. By exploring Instagram Map, you can virtually experience travel destinations and plan your own visits based on real content shared by other users. Remember to respect privacy settings and location sharing of other users while exploring content. Now you know how to explore travel destinations through Instagram Map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.